people, it's me Sheena and welcome back to Kish Aya's channel. So today guys, I want to share with you kung paano po ako lulutuan or gagawa ng aking husband ng banana cake without using an oven or even a steamer. So yun nga, sa kasamaang palad guys, hindi pa namin in-afford bumili ng oven or steamer. So, kailangan ni husband na mag-improvise. Ayan. So, guys, since bigla akong nag-crave sa banana cake and wala nga kaming mga equipments dito, nag-promise pa rin si husband na by all means, gagawin niya ako ng banana cake. So, just give you a quick look of the ingredients. Yan, very affordable naman yan. Mamaya, makikita nyo dyan kung ano lahat ng ingredients na yan, guys. So, yun. So, guys, come and join my husband in satisfying my cravings. Spoiled wife here. So, ayan. Ito na ang moment of truth. Titikman ko na ang ginawang banana cake ng aking mahal na asawa. So, samahan niyo ako, guys. Ito na siya. Kinakabahan ka ba?
Hindi.
What's my name again?
Sarap.
Ang sarap. Isa ito sa mga the best na banana cakes na natikman ko ever. So, tamang-tama yung moist, yung tamis, tamang-tama lang din. It's not overpowering. Basta lahat, nag-blend lahat ng lasa ng ingredients. So, yun. So, guys, to those who do not have an oven at home, pwede nyo pong gawin ito sa inyong mga tahanan kahit wala kayong oven kasi steam lang and makakagawa na kayo ng ganito kasarap na banana cake. So there you go, guys. It's time for me to indulge myself in this perfectly steamed banana cake by my husband. And thank you so much for watching. I wish you a wonderful day. Bye!